Hello guys, I am back with another video here in Guangzhou, China. I won't be speaking about the coronavirus as much in today's video. I'm going to be taking a bike ride from the outskirts of Guangzhou to the big city in central Guangzhou, showing you guys another side of Guangzhou. You can see the transition from the more traditional outskirts of Guangzhou to the more modern and futuristic city center. I'm here looking like a dentist riding this bike at the moment. However, this mask must be worn even if you're doing exercise, even if you're playing sports outside. And I have these disposable gloves, which I will be using when I ride the bicycle. Another thing to remember when you step outside in Guangzhou, have a pair of antiseptic wipes to wash your hands. Maybe you want to grab a snack, you want to get some food, and of course a spare face mask just in case your face mask breaks. So need to be very prepared here on the streets of China. So this is the famous ALIPAY bike. You can park these almost anywhere and it's very simple. If you want to use this bike, you open the ALIPAY app here, you find Hello Bike. Once that opens, then you can go on this scanner tool here, which you can use to scan the QR code which is on the bike. So open scanner, it will scan automatically. So it gives you these options, how long you can use the bike for and the cost. So 1.5 RMB for 30 minutes. So that's about 15 pence for 30 minutes. Touch that. And you're ready to ride the bike. So now this tells you how long you are riding the bike for. So far 2 minutes, you know, distance, calories burned. So this app is really good, really useful. Many people use this bike to go to work and to travel across the city. It's a really good service here in Guangzhou, a really fast way of getting around the city. And there are thousands and thousands of these bikes scattered across the city. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the ride. Okay, let's go. 27 degrees here in Guangzhou. Okay, so the guy, he didn't even let me in, which is such a shame because the area was so nice.